How to turn on vibration on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, scroll down and turn on the vibration feature. When this switch is on, all vibration on your phone will be enabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts. This way, you get set this option according to your preference and get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn on vibration on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.